In Japanese mythology, the god of creator is Izanami and Izanagi. The protector of its people Hachiman. The god of destruction is Hakaishin. In Hinduism or Sanatan, Brahma the creator of universe. Vishnu the protector or preserver of universe. Shiva the destroyer of evil. What about our forefather religion of all Metes, Kabui, Tangkhul, and all 7 clans tribes? In our religion, Sadaba Mapu or Salai Lel is the supreme god, creator of the universe. Laining the Sanamahi is the supreme guardian of mankind and household. Epithu Pakampa is the ruler of the universe and destroyer of evil. The question is, our forefathers' civilization of more than 5,000 years have everything. From astrology to literature, religion to language, and why should we follow Western religion? You can't call the stranger woman mother while leaving your old mom. It is your only duty to love and care your forefathers. Born a Kanglicha, die a Kanglicha.